How to fix stroke scaling in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this artwork here, and when I select it and I want to make it smaller, you can see it closes up because my stroke thickness stays the same no matter what I do. Whether I make it bigger or smaller, as you can see as I drag it out to make it bigger, it starts getting too thin. And the way we fix this is we select our artwork, make sure it's selected, and here on the Properties tab, you just want to click on these three dots which says More Options. And here you can see this option which is Scale Strokes and Effects. You want to tick this box here. And now whenever we resize our vector object, it will scale the stroke and the effects if you have them set. It will change them proportionally to what you have selected. Now, as you can see, when I make it smaller, the stroke will stay proportional to what I had it set before. As you saw previously, it was at 20 points and now it's at 4.1 points. Same goes if I make it bigger. It stays the same thickness. Now it's at 66.8 points. And that's how you fix the stroke scaling in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.